What business do you have and what do you wish was automated? Oh, this is going to be good. We're going to do some vibe coding. We're going to be doing some content automation, some research, some AI agents, workflow. Just kind of hanging out. Welcome to AI Office Hours with your host, Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI. If you have a business and you want to save 24 hours a week in free time, let's work together. I would love to save you time and help you work 5, 10 times faster using AI automation. So basically, some of these apps in here, we're going to hit run server because let me show you some apps I've been vibe coding inside Claude Code that you can do just as well too. There's nothing special about these. I mean, just to kind of inspire you to show you what's possible with Claude Code. Because everyone wants to vibe code and build websites, but let me show you how I'm automating my content using. Actually, this thing has been doing really good. There's some actually a couple extra features and bugs I want to like upgrade in this. I want to have like 2 modes, avatar mode and lifestyle mode. So we are loading my AI. If you've been a follower for this live stream series, I've been live streaming for the past week, vibe coding this automation app that we're going to see right now. Okay. If I open any windows, it will lag. So Chris is like, oh, follow. This is, wait, you vibe coded a content automation? Yes, this is not a website. This is not a place that you could go and subscribe. Although some of the members in the community keep hitting me up and would love a subscription to this, like, because they're not tech savvy enough to like vibe code and troubleshoot. It's not a perfect app, but it automates your content. And we're going to test it out today because we've been making some improvements to this app so that it basically completely automates. Well, we've also reduced the cost. So this creates, let me show you what this creates. Show you a final output.
Are you worried AI is going to take your job? Forget that. The real threat is someone else using AI. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done in hours that take you days. While you're stuck doing endless manual tasks, they're using AI agents to automate everything. This means they're earning more while working way less. You won't lose your business to AI itself. You'll lose it to someone who knows how to leverage it. Every day you wait, that gap between you and them gets bigger. Don't get left behind. You're just one decision away from either breaking through or burning out. Ready to stop watching from the sidelines? Book a one-on-one session with Dr. AI right now. We'll give you the exact AI strategy that's helping entrepreneurs work 50% less and earn twice as much. Link in bio.
Do you want to work 50% less? Synesthesia ID? Nah, not synesthesia. This is a HeyGen. Real simple. But that's not even the cool part. This is the cool part. That whole piece of content, production. Oh, yeah, I gotta wait for it to lag. Sorry for the lag. There we go. No, the main thing is that was just HeyGen, but who cares about HeyGen? It's more important that that entire content production process from idea to that video is completely automated and costs less than $3 a video. That's what vibe coding has to do. Peter says, how to become an AI consultant. Peter, send me a direct message. I will send you, we're actually opening up cohorts too. I still may be offering the one-on-one for the AI consultant certification. We just had 3 people sign up last week, which is actually really dope. So just click the link in bio, send me a direct message, type AI consultant. We'll get on a call and I can show you how to become certified AI consultant where you can sell AI solutions to your client. It's more, so here's the thing. It is going to be an insane competitive advantage. Those who have AI skills, and if you are like just ChatGPT and like light user, even if you're just a heavy just ChatGPT user, there are so many levels to the AI game. So we want to get you to AI developer where you could come in and you, guess what? No need to learn NAN, completely irrelevant in 2026. If you see anyone promoting NAN automations to do any audit, no, they're full of like They suck. They should be vibe coding. Like, you should be vibe coding is the most important skill set to learn so that you can do true automation. And true automation, at least for here, we're just doing a project. We're just doing content automation basically here. But this is all just vibe coded just to show us possible with content automation in this. Oh, by the way, if you're in the community and you join, you get access to this software. Yes, no subscription, you get access to the software. You just add your own API keys and it pumps out content like this on autopilot. I'm going to add some more content in here. So let's, we need to close some tabs. So bear with me. Okay. Perfect. And then let's go agent. Oh, the fun part. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of lags because I'm going to be opening a lot of tabs. I'm going to also try and close a lot of apps too. Let me close some apps here. I'll come back to that. I'm just trying to close some apps real quick. That way we have a little extra bandwidth for what we're doing here. We just need that Chrome. Get rid of this, keep this, keep that, and keep that. Close everything else. Whew. Here we go. Hopefully I don't close something I don't need to. Coder Dude David, happy Saturday. Hope you're having a blessed day. Thank you for everyone's patience. Slowly trying to, well, whenever I open a tab, it lags. So now we're good. Now let's get content. So you can automate your content very simple today using any ChatGPT model. ChatGPT, GenSpark, Gemini, Claude, just don't use Copilot, anything, like really doesn't matter. Pick your large language model of choice, really doesn't matter. And have it know like who your ideal client is, who's your business, like all of that, and say, give me 40-second scripts that would sell what you're selling, your product, your service, whatever you're selling. And so have it write 40-second scripts, which is this right here. Oh, the replacement fear. Your competition is already using AI, and they can do in 2 minutes what take you 2 days to do. Oh, I like that. That's actually really cool because in the community, when we taught it, it's like, yeah. So, okay, so copy this. We're going to pop this into here. We're going to turn on auto mode. Auto mode. You got to have an auto mode so that automation. That's the whole point of coding this is automation. You got to have an automation button. Like, yo. Okay, so now we got that. That's good. Oh, my favorite part. Top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. I definitely want bottom of funnel. This is a AI avatar content generator. All right, it's in the oven. Now it's going to go through the process completely automatically to generate one piece of talking head avatar content that looks like this. To generate a piece like this. So right now it's just going through the process. All we did was just pipe in an idea. It's going to generate a talking head avatar.
Are you worried AI?
I mean, it sounds like
that. The real threat is someone else using AI. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done in hours that take you days. While you're stuck doing endless manual tasks, they're using AI agents to automate everything.
AI avatars was the #1 most in-demand thing in the last 2 weeks that most of my clients have been asking for. Hey John, how do I automate my content with a faceless avatar or an avatar that represents my face or brand so that I don't have to get on camera? And it's like, all right, I get it. Oh, he's chugging along right now. Look at that. So he's generating the B-roll. Oh no, this is the avatar. So it's using HeyGen for the avatar. Yo, I wonder, should we enhance my avatar to make him look, we'll enhance him later. I'm more important about the workflow right now. Once I'm happy with the workflow, improving avatars, you can have like a bunch of different avatars up and running. It really doesn't matter. So he's just working in the background. We'll just kind of see how this, because there's another option I want to like vibe code that doesn't require HeyGen. Oh, something's happening. Something's happening. It finished one HeyGen. Now it's assembling. Oh, there's another one. So it's doing 2 videos at a time right now. And right now it's just going through and filling up these pieces, and we should be able to see how much they're costing. Oh my god, we spent a whole penny so far writing all the SEO and text. And oh, it's doing things. Oh, it did the avatar for both of them.
Are you worried AI is going to steal your job? Well, it might, but not in the way you think. Your competitors are already using AI to do things way faster than you can. While you're stuck doing manual work, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and content planning. They're not just faster, they're making more money and working less.
It generated the avatar. What's up, Q? This is a custom vibe coded app that I give my clients that is completely automates the entire content, short form content production that works for any business. You pipe in an idea and in about 10 minutes, give or take. Right now it's going and generating the B-roll right now for the video. So it's assembling all the elements that goes into creating a short form video like this with your talking head avatar. This is just an example for Q. So this is the avatar. So generate a piece of content like this for roughly under $3, and then it takes roughly less than 10 minutes to produce. And right now we're running another batch of testing. If it works out, I think we even reduce the cost by 50% too. You can see like also what's the cost to actually produce a piece of content too. And then it breaks down. HeyGen is like 75 cents. Fish Audio to do the audio is not even a penny. It's like 0.009 cents to do the audio of just to clone your voice. And then 76 cents for actually for OpenRouter. So 0.001, so like 0.01 of a penny, I guess, 0.001. That's for all the writing, the SEO, for all the different seven social media channels. Like if you click on it, it wrote the entire script. It wrote all the TikTok captions, all the different captions for all the social media apps. And then every social media platform is customly different, is tailored for that platform. So it will publish on 6 social, well, mine's set up to do 6 social media channels right now because I only have 6, but you could technically go up to like 50 social media channels. You could do this for yourself and you could do this for your clients if you really want to get nerdy. Every caption is custom for the platform, even the other ones. How can you get this? Join the community and I will give you access to the source code. I don't charge a subscription for it because it's not my business, or SaaS isn't my business. How much does it cost? So it's to get the software, you just join the community, $97 a month, and then you get access to this. You download it. You have to learn you have to know how to vibe code, hook up API keys. Like it's not like a polished piece of software. They're tools I give to my my members in my one-on-one coaching to help them from they could spend 90 hours a month creating content, or they could spend 1 hour a month creating their entire month's worth of content. So think of how many pieces of content. Can I get a list of tools? Oh, we have everything. We have a list. Oh, there we go. We have a list of tools. We have custom tools. Like, we're not just giving away custom GPTs and prompts. We're giving away full applications that help automate your entire content. So come join the community. Link is in the bio to join. See, like Sword 2, those had to be redone. So this generates, and then it's custom for every business right now. Let's see, check the log, did the... So now I'm just asking. Now this is all Vibe. Do you get a free trial? 97 is a lot. Don't join. Please don't. This not for you. It's not for you. Trust. Hey, Gabrielle. Like, if you want to make money with AI automation, you want to see what it's the most advanced stuff, like, only if you're interested in that. If 97 is a big thing, please, there's YouTube. YouTube has a ton of free stuff. So this is Claude Code. We could take a look at him. Claude Code has been doing all of the development. Like, this is where vibe coding is so powerful to learn. And right now, we're just having him take a look to see there's a little bug, because we did also update, we're also updating the models so that we could reduce the cost. So if you take a look here, there's different models for like B-roll video, but then they also come at different cost. Let me see here. So that way we can kind of see side by side. There we go. Nice. You're right, YouTube. Thanks for that. If you search my name, YouTube, I have 1,000 free YouTube videos. And I even have a free AI playlist. Just go to, it's the only playlist I have on my YouTube channel, and it has all my best AI videos. All are really good there. So we're working on also dropping the cost by 50% here, so that videos, right now they're about $3. We'll finish with this test, but we're gonna get it down to like under 75 cents, which will be dope, because that means nothing sauce. And as the models get better, and then once I'm happy with that, now you can see like for every video to generate costs 60 cents to do the B-roll. So we actually like bake in a lot of the math. Been trying NAN for automation, but the credentials are knowing to set up. Hey Mo, come join the community. We show you where you never have to touch NAN ever again. I know, wild, right? And you'll be able to build more complex automations that make people with NAN look like they're playing with children's toys. Like, come to the dark side. I'm just showing you what we've been doing for months inside the community. We've been vibe coding for like the last 4 months inside the community. We've been on Claude Code. We've been actually next week in the community. Next Tuesday through Thursday, we're actually doing VS Code and Claude Code, actually. So that is actually going to be a class tomorrow, or starting next Tuesday. I just have to update the calendar, but it's there. So right now, Claude is fixing. I'll let you look at my avatar for
The real danger isn't AI itself, it's someone else using AI better than you. That gap is only getting bigger. You can either get left behind or learn how to use these tools. Want to know how? I can help you create a plan. Let's chat.
Let's chat. Oh yeah, he's also programmed to sell for you too. Whatever your product or service is, he's actually designed to actually sell. So if you don't know how to code, bro, is it a challenge? You have to learn how to code, bro. If you want to play with the big tools, you got to learn the big toy. And it's not hard. Learning how to code is not hard. There is zero excuse to learn how to. I didn't write a single line of code on any of these files. I could not tell you what is in one of these files, like if I tried. Like, I didn't write a single, so there's no excuse for coding for anyone. Like, coding as a skill set is if you want to become, it's actually a great way to become a developer too, but you're going to learn the developer ways anyways. But from that, you cut your software subscription by 50%, You build your own custom tools, custom to you and your business. You can sell said tools to your clients and your competitors, and like the world will belong to the vibe coding AI consultants. Is 11 Labs best for realistic audio? It's okay. I didn't like it, honestly. Like, personally, nah, shit, I gotta go to Kai. This is burning a lot of. It also gives you updates to be like, yo, you have to update your credit. We are burning credits here. That's why we're trying to optimize the cost here so that we can reduce the cost by 50%. Wait, models, pricing, keys, billing. I have credits. We're fine. I have plenty of credits, bro. I was like, I didn't burn all those credits. Now we're fine. Please top off. Wait a minute. Check. Hold on. I have to yell at my software developer right now. What is he saying? Okay, restart the server as well too. I think if I refresh, we should be good. Okay, I think we're good now. So are there videos being processed in the queue, or can we just like cancel those to start over and fresh? Let's see. The monthly payment is okay for me, but just want to understand before you join. Yeah, you definitely. Well, let's put it this way. When you come in the community, you could come in as a complete beginner. I have an entire curriculum, over 30 courses, literally from I could barely touch a computer to AI developer and everything in between. We've been doing this actually for a whole year, which is actually wild. So I have the whole roadmap and curriculum. So regardless of whatever your skill set, as long as you don't have a Windows computer, I will say that as well too. Do not join if you have a Windows computer. You're going to have a bad time. Don't join anything if you have a Windows computer. We're trying to set up automation, different stuff in the company. If you're looking for some work, I'll be happy to send you my info, my boss, any connects. Nice. I just teach and consult. I don't do any of the, well, I do the custom building for my clients, but nothing. It just depends on whatever my clients need so that I can help them gain an insane competitive advantage. The videos in the queue, do we just, I think just clear the videos in the queue because I think they're already done. Check. We're just checking some testing. This was a big update of like updating the video models so that we could cut the cost by 50%. What are you playing with tonight? Hello, Sarah. We are still vibe coding the same content automation app. We're still testing the new 50% reduction, hopefully 50% reduction in B-roll video for it. So we're troubleshooting bugs, making new upgrades, and vibe coding our way, because if you vibe code a day, it does keep the doctor away. What's your beef with Windows computers? You need to move fast, and Windows won't move fast. Unless you're like a software developer and you build your own computers and you have your own NVIDIA chip and you're trying, like, for sure, play with that. But for the most entrepreneurs that I coach, like, I need to get them more skilled in a lot of other things and not fight the computer. Yeah, Windows sucks. It's not like it's literally molasses to try and do coaching. None of my clients that have Windows computers made money last year. All of my clients that have Mac computers, 30%, 40% an increase in revenue. Like, it's because we can't, like, it's the foundation. It's literally the foundation. The computer you touch will dictate it's the car you drive. Think of it like, it's like a Windows computer is like walking in sandals, and then a Mac is like a Tesla. It's just not fair. So Now, if you're reducing costs and all of that, for sure. Eventually, it does lead to Windows eventually when you want to run your own home server. So none of what I say is like a binary, like never Windows. It's like not really. When you go to self-host and you want to reduce the cost of your operation tools so that you can self-host your own image video models and you want to cut all subscriptions, you're going to go Windows. You're not going to go Mac. Like, so not everything I say is always dependent on a little asterisk. Your situation may vary, as they say. Yeah, like Coder Dude David, I wouldn't put him on Windows. That would handicap him. He's way faster on a Windows computer, so I wouldn't put him on a Mac. Sorry, is what I was saying. I wouldn't put David on a Mac. Like he's so dangerous on a Windows computer because he's a software developer. He builds his own computers and stuff like that. Easier tools because there's way better stuff to get into. API still returning. Maybe something else wrong with the model. Do you want to check? Yeah, check. All right, you get what you pay for expense. So it's a hidden cost basically. You think you're saving. Some people think Windows devices save money on the front end. But what you don't see is the year of struggle, pain, tech support, failures, blue screen of death, driver issues, no software supported, bogged down, everything has so much bloatware. Oh my God. And then it's like, oh, versus just get any Mac, M1, M2, M3. Sarah's like, my M2 made such a big increase in speed and output. Surprise! It's actually interesting. This same content automation app, I'm on an M1. It takes about like 10, 12 minutes like to do a video, give or take. On a M4 Studio Pro, or no, M4 Max, I think it is. M4 Max or Pro, I just one of those. It is like 3 minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes. It's done. It does the whole video. And I was like, oh yeah, that makes a huge difference in how much content. So in 2026, I highly recommend, especially invest in a really good computer, because getting into home servers, getting into like local home servers, running your own private local large language model, offline, private, knows all your data. It's not sent to ChatGPT to harvest your data. Like, you own your data. Like, private data, private models, private automations. Like, you're going to invest in one. Really doesn't matter what, but just start saving in there. I'm 2026. I'm definitely upgrading my computer hardware as well too. Coding Object says, stumble upon your broadcast yesterday. Find your content very, very useful. Welcome, Coding Objects Systems. Please ask any question. I love to share as much information, and I'm just kind of showing my work. For everyone that's just showing up, welcome. My name is Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI consultant. This is just a vibe coded app just to show what's possible with vibe coding. The purpose of this app is to create, you pop in an idea, and 10 minutes later and $3 in cost, it will pop out a talking head avatar so that you don't have to get on camera and read your script. It matches your likeness, matches your voice. You could wear any outfit. You could change it any way. Doesn't have to be you. Could be any avatar. And so you pop in any content idea that way, and it does scheduling to 50 social media channels, all completely automated. So it does the production of the content, and then it also does the scheduling and posting as well too. So please follow if you're interested in AI automation for your business and you want to save 20 hours a week. By the way, definitely work one-on-one with me, and I'll change your business, change your life. Guarantee I will save you 24 hours a week in free time. Welcome everyone. User says, do you recommend Windows or Mac? Highly recommend any Mac. Refurbished, like bare minimum, if I were to go back, like seriously, like just go back, 128 gigabyte RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, and whatever processor that you can get. Doesn't matter. I don't care. M1, M4, M1, doesn't really matter. You want all that RAM, and you want all, like, the hardware, the memory's okay. It's not the end of the thing. ByteDance Lite, Halo was great. New recommended model. Okay. And they have a new. Okay, so he's. Right now, I'm having him update all the different image models for the B-roll for the video. So we're just making sure one he has access to all of them. Okay, so reset. I want you to reset the workflow so that we can regenerate the B-roll. So clear the queue, and then we'll change the status for 32, 31, and 30. And we'll change those to when we're ready to generate the B-roll so that we could test it out. So I'm just using voice to text, talking to my software developer, Claude Code. He's managing all the code, and he's making all the updates in real time to the software. What we are doing is just fine tuning it, really. Memory 32 gigabyte, absolute minimum. Yeah, I would even say 64 gigabytes is minimum, honestly. Like, just get 64 gigs. Like, you will, oh, trust me, it'll work so well. Okay, so let's refresh this. Okay. And now, oh, let me see. Done, QCure, okay, we're just fixing that. So I highly recommend play with any vibe coding tool. Cursor, Claude. I just more want you to practice with them. Practice with the tools. Every day, get a rep in, just like you go to the gym. Go to the AI gym, press some buttons, create some prompts, produce some work, automate something in your life. Like, your future you would thank you a lot for sure. Okay, so okay, he's working now. And we'll leave this on auto. And we're using Hailu Standard. Interesting. Let me check out Hailu Standard. So 20 cents, 40 cents. Oh my gosh, I'm spending 80 cents to produce a video. Or at least this is just a B-roll. Like, and you could cut the cost down for sure. Like, this is not, there's so many different ways to optimize this. Sarah shares Google AI Studio is awesome to get started and free. Highly recommend. Oh, I changed the client's life today with GenSpark, Cider, Notebook LM. Oh my god. You would have thought I walked on water introducing him to Notebook LM. So to share that, like, there's so much automation or like superpowers that AI has, like just staying up with the tools, and Google has a huge suite of AI tools that are amazing. Like Google AI Studio is free, Notebook LM is incredibly powerful, even the different plans, super super awesome. Okay, how you doing, buddy? And then let's look at my Kai API because we were burning 112. What? No. That's not real. Okay, we're going to see the quality of this though. We're going to see the quality of. So I was using, well, one, okay, I was using Kling 2.6, which was 110 credits. I know everyone's like butt puckers up when I say that, like, ugh, 110 credits, and you have to create four of those. Dang, that's a lot. John, have you tried GAI yet? Ooh, what is GAI? G.AI? What? Hello, what's on your mind? What is G.AI? It's like Gemini. What do you do? Information retrieval, content writing, solving, Large language does chat. What do you know about Jonathan Acuna, Dr. AI? Am I searchable? Jonathan Acuna, often referred to as Dr. AI, is a prominent AI consultant and educator known for helping entrepreneurs and corporate teams integrate artificial intelligence into their business workflows. Based in Los Angeles area, he specializes in automation to reduce manual labor and increase productivity. He's the founder of the AI Circle, AI educator, automation background, AI consultant certification. In early 2026, he has been actively promoting programs to help others become AI consultants. Offering an AI roadmap, guys, to navigate. This is great. Oh, our automation is done. Something's happening. Oh, damn. Wow. So it generated B-roll for 3 videos. Now it generated thumbnails for 3 B-rolls. And now it's editing all the videos one at a time. One of the videos is done. Let's take a look at it. It's the new Google AI Hub.
Are your competitors already beating you to the punch with AI while you're stuck doing manual tasks? They're using smart AI tools to get things done in
Okay,
just
we
2
just have
hours
to
that
fix
take you
the
40. It's true.
prompt.
They're automating emails, editing videos, and planning content with AI agents. This means they're growing their business and making more money, all while you're buried in extra work. You might not lose your
We have to improve the
business to
prompt.
AI.
And then the one that they chose, Halu model. Oh wow, he's really done. The model that it used, if we use, then we go, oh, Kai, because we may spend a little extra money. You teach AI machine learning here, right? I don't teach machine learning, unfortunately. So it's a, I'm more, if you're a business owner that sells products or services online or physical and want to leverage AI automation in your business and automate your marketing, sales, operations without hiring employees, that this is the channel of what you want to learn. If you want to do like machine learning, data scientists, you want to build your own and train your own LLMs, highly recommend. There's a ton of really good stuff on YouTube. Really good stuff. Hello, Clean or King. What's up? With Cleon, what's better than NAN? Claude. Just vibe coding in general. Like NAN is no code. Code trumps. Code's like Beak 2. It instantly trumps anything no code. Like, and now you don't need to. You don't need to code. I recommend learning how to code, but you're gonna learn how to code and be a software developer. We just have to fix some of the prompts here, and the other thing too. I can't believe how cheap this model is. This model is only 1 credit. We went from 110 credits to 1 credit. That's super cheap. That means that's super cheap. That means you could generate a video for roughly, oh, it's a little hard to see. So roughly, I think, I don't know why, what was the difference between these two? Oh, I think he had the old model. So I think we went from 249 now to $1.73. Like we definitely, that gives us more runway. Your money goes stretcher. You could produce more content. We do have to refine the prompt, and actually what he's doing is, which is okay. It's so cheap. It's just like, how good is it? See, Hilo Tech, it's only 1 credit. That is nothing. Like we went from 110 credits to 1 credit for like 1 B-roll video. That's a significant cost reduction. But what I'm curious about is the quality, because I'm like, yeah, I'm okay to spend a little extra on it if it looks dope. We do have to fix it, and it's also doing it. Text to video standard. O2 text to video. Hailu. Oh, I gotta go log in. Go to models. Well, probably pricing. What is it? HAILOU? Hailu? Yeah, because there's Hailu. Okay, text to video standard O2. Yeah, because O2 is only like 6 seconds. That's why it's so cheap. I mean, 50, 50, 50. Any one of these, standard, Hailu, standard. We kind of need to fix the prompts for that model. Okay, so I want you to fix the prompts for Hailu, and then I think check the time on what that outputs. I think what's happening is that video is it seems like the videos are 6 seconds long and then it stops. So, and then they're also compressed. So I think there's the aspect ratio to fix, and there's also the time to fix as well too. So there is a Hailu. Like there are 10-second long ones from this. I'm just gonna give you this whole screenshot. We don't want the max ones. Because this is Hailu 02. I'm just, sorry, just trying to. I'm just gonna give you the images. There's Hailu. What were some of the other video models? Hailu, Kling. Kling was expensive. ByteDance, I think we have. Oh no, video for ByteDance. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, that works too. There's also some ByteDance models. The unfortunate thing is we just have to test. So I think I want you to do custom prompts for each mod. Well, each model just needs some of the settings. So here are attached some of the dashboard for the pricing. So we definitely want to keep the cost down. So analyze the pricing. Let's see here. Mary, welcome to the chat. Thank you for the follow, everyone. We're basically, what do you call this niche then? AI automation for existing business owners. That's what I would call the niche. It's like, well, I just do AI consulting more. But here, okay, so we know some changes to do. It looks like it found some other models. Also, keep in mind. Also, keep in mind the duration. See, I don't mind. I like the 6 seconds for attention span. And I don't mind 10 seconds as well too. But just keep in mind if it's a 6 or 10 seconds, how that also impacts the editing as well too. Having a conversation with my AI developer right now, Claude Code, which I highly recommend. Talk with Claude. Say, hey, Claude, I want you to fix the bug for sure. And then second, I want you to add these cool features. I'm into AI automation for real estate agents to save time and increase productivity. Mary, we should talk. You should book a one-on-one with me, and I could show you things that would make your clients double what they're paying you because there's so much AI automation. I have a ton of real estate clients. There's real estate is like there's so much to do for automation, for marketing, for sales, for avatars, for content. Excellent questions, but welcome, Mary. Lovely to meet you. We're just vibe coding a content automation app using HeyGen. Or sorry, well, HeyGen's one part. Sure, I will. Definitely, we'll talk. I have a book a one-on-one call with me, link in my bio. And I could look at your business and show you how to automate your business and save 24 hours every single week. Automating your business, guaranteed. Yes, guaranteed. Because that's where I found out like all the stuff of like what people are doing manually. Oh man, there's so much to like automate and save a ton of time right now. He's checking the log, the duration to make sure. Yeah, because when you do these AI videos, some are 6 seconds long, some are 10 seconds, it's usually like 5, 6, 8, and 10 seconds. Sometimes they go to 12, sometimes they go to 15, super rare ones like Sora 2 is the only one that goes up to like 15 seconds right now, I think. And there's also, since he's also squished, he's also has, and every model, wow. For clips is a versus Seedance Lite. That gets pretty, well, if the quality is there. Ten seconds at 720 for the best. Go to dashboard and run B-roll stage to test. Okay. So he made lots of changes to our app. And we finished these, so we need more. Oh, well. I'm okay to redo both of these, actually. Let's take this one and this one. And probably this one, too. Let's take a look at it. I think we have to redo this one.
Are your competitors already beating?
Yeah, we're going to change that one. Okay, 2. And also, the prompts are kind of boring. We want some transition, some activity to happen, some action. I don't want to say action, but some movement or action, because they're all just like slow pan and you just see someone doing something that's super boring. So make the B-roll video or the prompts a little more interesting to watch. So this is VS Code and Claude Code. You can sign up for VS Code and Claude Code. I found out the reasons they can go longer is losing quality, hallucinations, VRAM, RAM. Yeah, any AI long-term just hallucinates, degrades, doesn't get better. It just doesn't improve. Okay, so he's working on this, and then this is a custom map that we're going to change the status to back to when we did the, I think the script is okay. Yeah, we're going to change it back to script. You could like, there we go. You could bulk edit multiple records as well too. So now those are in the queue. They're at this stage. You can see generate 3 captions. Pretty aggressive. Doesn't feel aggressive. And then it's in auto mode. pipeline control auto mode. Just looks cool. Please, this episode is sponsored by water. Hydrate. Okay, so back to it. He's smooshing. He's crunching. Let's look at some of these cost. There's a lot of models. There's an optimal model size, which is interesting of the price. Of the B-roll, and now I was like, come on, improve the prompt too while we're at it. That way, hope you guys are having a blessed day working and hanging out with me. I am grateful for your attention. I hope you're having a blessed day. Because we're learning AI automation. More of this is just spend 1 hour a day practicing. That's all. Just spend 1 hour a day practicing with any AI tool. Any AI tool, just start working with it. Just press all the buttons. If you don't know what that button does, press it. That's what I say. That's actually a rule I give to my students. I'm like, press all the buttons. You have to press all the buttons. Okay, so now let me reset 31, 30, and 32. Cool. Let me also be clear. Any pending items in the queue. That looks good. No separate table in the queue. Everything's getting ready. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's take a look at what models do we have in here. Whoa. Right? Hailu is 25 cents. That means it's going to be $1. So what's under 25 cents? Fast, less than a minute. Seedance Light, 60 cents. And oh, they're cheaper because they're 6 seconds and 5 seconds. The cheapest 10 seconds is Hailu. Okay, that makes sense. And takes 2 minutes. I'm so lazy. I don't want to like waste 2 minutes. Mary's like, practicing is more. Yeah, to me, I want to push my AI vibe coding skills to see like how far can I push this, just to see. Because there's no way I could have done this without Claude Code. No way I could have done this without Claude Code. Thank you, Claude. What tool are you using? This is VS Code and Claude. So he says he's improved the prompt. Everything looks good. And he added more things from the prompt. Can you improve the prompt a little to make things a little more shocking, dramatic, like a movie, especially like a movie trailer? Interesting. I mean, interesting, because I looked at your prompts and they're like pretty boring. I get you add more text, that's good, but like add a little storytelling, do a little prompt scene. Okay, let's see if we can just refine the prompt. And this is interesting to be like, yeah, we were spending $2 per video. Now we're dropping it down to $1. So we've already dropped the cost 50%, which is insane. So now it's just seeing which of those is like the cheapest. While we burn some credits. Everything is vibe coded that you see. I want to follow up too. Definitely join. And you can follow up. You can actually get the source code and vibe code along with me. I give you guys this app, like the source code to this app in the community. Definitely want to join. Okay, so it looks like he's finishing some little updates here. You're right. Let me make it more cinematic and trailer, like a movie. Claude will agree with you. He would be like, you're right. And it's like, I know I'm right, but gotta be a little sus. I'm like, And all of these, you could do this today with VS Code and Claude Code. Like you could just sign up for Claude Code. It's $20 a month. And VS Code is free. And then you go to Google AI Studio, which is 100% free in vibe code, and you'll have a good time. One of the clients, he wanted to create a Looker dashboard because his clients are like, hey, we spent 6 figures hiring someone who knows how to do Looker dashboards and to hook it up. We showed him how to vibe code a custom Looker dashboard using some mock data in Google AI Studio. His pants. He literally just, how fast, in 2 minutes, it created a Looker dashboard versus a 6K intern that you have to, or 6K person that you have to hire in that spent months learning how to do. So, oh my God, vibe coding amazing. Plentiful says VS Code, Cloud Code, and Google AI Studio. Correct. Technically, VS Code and Cloud Code are like a pair. They're like Lucy and Ricardo. I said it. And then Google AI Studio, he's like the Lone Ranger. He's his own thing. He is like, what was Mel Gibson in the movie where it's just in a desert and there's lots of cars? It's not that one. It's the older one, Mad Max. Mad Max. Google AI Studio is like Mad Max. He's his own Lone Ranger. He's doing his own thing. All right, now we're gonna check this again. We have 2 pieces of content in there. We're gonna test it. Ready? Press the button. Press the button. You guys gotta press the button. Hit that like button. Press the button. Someone press the button. I can't start it till someone hits that like button. Hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. Auto! Okay, so now, once you toggle auto, he should go through and start. Oh, there he goes. Yep. He's already moving. You guys were slow on the likes. I couldn't wait for you. I had to press the button. I couldn't wait. And now he's going through and, oh, he's done. He finished the captions, and now he's generating the voice. Oh, there he goes. Now he's generating the avatar. Dun, 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 dun. This is a content factory, content farm. Just pumping out that content every single day. Making that content so that you don't have to say, hey, oh, it's done. Okay, so now it's generating the B-roll right now. Okay, so I feel like these guys are... Okay, so now we're generating the B-roll. Oh, something's happened. We finished the avatar. Really no change there. Now it's generating that HeyGen avatar for this one right here. I feel like there's other things that it's working on in the background. So there's technically, I want to try a different also version of this where we bypass the HeyGen and we generate a much voiceover version of this. Because I think the voiceover, I don't know, it's like either the voiceover or with the avatar would be interesting. Wiz, what are you automating? We are automating content that generates your talking head avatar like this.
Are you worried AI is going to steal your job? Well, it might, but not in the way you think. Your competitors are already using AI
Digital
to do things way
avatar.
faster than you can. While you're stuck doing manual work, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and content planning. They're not just faster, they're making more money and working less. The real danger isn't AI itself, it's someone else using AI better than you. That gap is only getting bigger. You can either get left behind or learn how to use these tools. Want to know how?
That's part one. Part two is it generates the whole video. Oh, where's the audio?
Forget that. The real threat is someone else using AI. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done in hours that take you days. While you're stuck doing endless manual tasks, they're using AI agents to automate everything. This means they're earning more while working way less. You won't lose your business to AI itself. You'll lose it to someone who knows how to leverage it. Every day you wait, that gap between you and them gets bigger. Don't get left behind. You're just one decision away from either breaking through or burning out. Ready to stop watching from the sidelines? Book a one-on-one session with Dr. AI right now. We'll give you the exact AI strategy that's helping entrepreneurs work 50% less and earn twice as much. Link in bio.
Any hard sells for you. This
Are you
is
worried AI?
Oops, there you go. No need to learn NaN. No need. This is all vibe coded with Claude Code. Like no code tools, no need to learn them. Now we could just play with vibe coding tools, which right now he's doing. Oh, he's doing two things at once, which is dope. He's generating the B-roll, or right here, that's the B-roll, and then he's generating the HeyGen avatar. Are you coding or using? Yeah, there's no coding. Oh, something's happening. See, NaN, you can't program confetti. Well, there's no fun in that. Should I cancel ChatGPT and get Claude Code? No, keep ChatGPT. That's a good question, Plentiful. Keep ChatGPT. He's like free, unlimited, like no credits, just ask questions. A good everyday daily driver. GenSpark, that's your PhD. That's your, like you're doing documents, your office, your 9 to 5 office worker. Like that's basically GenSpark. Claude is like your AI developer. You want to vibe code, build something. He's not the only one in town. There's Google AI Studio as well too. What's the GitHub repo or all the necessary links to try this out? You can get the GitHub repo with all of the links to try this out inside the community. When you join, I give you a link and you enter your GitHub repo and I give you access to the private repo where you can download this software. You hook up your own APIs. There's like 8 API keys to it. And then you can start running this on your own with no subscription. Welcome, Sam Ultra Beats. Welcome to the chat. So right now we're just kind of going through the B-roll stage, if I'm not mistaken. What AI is best for coding? Google AI Studio, easy, very easy to start. Where's the community? Link is in my profile. Double click my profile first. And then you get a 1 hour one-on-one with me, and I'll show you how to set this up on that 1 hour one-on-one call. Very nice. But yeah, once you join, link in the bio. It's the only link in the website. I updated the whole website too. I made it so much easier too. By the way, the whole website's for some people. The whole website is vibe coded using Claude. Claude is it's a cheat code. It is such a Notebook LM, cheat code, Nano Banana Pro, cheat code, GenSpark, ultimate cheat code, ChatGPT hallucinates, not a cheat code. Do you have to pay to try this out? Well, you have to pay to join. And then when you hook this up, you got to set up your own API keys. So you have to buy all the subscriptions for the keys to do HeyGen, to do the voice, to do all that. It's about $150 a month to run. And then we're generating videos that are cutting down. We were at $3. Now we're at $1.70. I think we're going to be around $1.25 for per video generate, which is still nothing. Like when you compare how many videos you can push out. And it's all short form video that all looks like this.
AI is going to take your job. Forget that. The real threat is someone else using AI. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done in hours that take you days. While you're stuck doing endless manual tasks, they're using AI agents to automate everything. This means they're earning more while working way less. You won't lose your business to AI itself. You'll lose it to someone who knows how to leverage it. Every day you wait, that gap between you and them gets bigger. Don't get left behind. You're just one decision away from either breaking through or burning out. Ready to stop watching from the sidelines? Book a one-on-one session with Dr. AI right now. We'll get
AI avatars, but checking to see how the log is doing. Just fine-tuning the model, because I think today we'll answer which is the best B-roll video model. Prompts look good. Just checking. Okay, he's found a bug. So he's going to fix the bug in a moment. It has to do with the callback. We go and place orders for APIs or for videos, and then sometimes Claude forgets to put the return address to say, hey, we should probably get the task ID when you place the order. But this is Claude coding. I mean, this is the most of where you're killing a bunch of time vibe coding, really. You're just killing time managing the AI, basically. Making sure it does what it's supposed to be doing. I'm excited if we could drop the cost for this. Now the cost just accrues, but we're going to change that. And I'm going to probably make a simpler version of this. Because what I really think is you just need your voice, really. And then a good thumbnail, voice, script, and just B-roll. Okay, so now he redid everything for me, placed new orders, and now we're just waiting for, here we go, B-roll for these guys to just get generated. But I'll just leave him. I mean, you guys could start off with HeyGen today. Just go sign up for a HeyGen account. And next week in the community, we're going to be doing Claude Code and VS Code. Everything loading. Man, that B-roll generation has been a thing. I feel like we're getting so close. This has been such a quite the project. And then how's Kai doing on the logs? Ah, so these are a little more. 50 credits. Still not bad. If it gets better. Aspect ratio. We could improve the prompt at least. The interesting thing is he's batching, or basically he's batching a lot of these. What's the actual building right now? This is a content automation app that automates your short form content that generates content like this.
Give you the exact AI strategy that's helped.
We've seen that one. We could pick another one. Oh, that's an old file. These are all old files. The files don't live that long.
Are you worried AI is going to take your job? Forget that. The real threat is someone else
Mm-hmm.
using AI. Your competitors are already using AI to get things done in hours that take you days. While you're stuck doing endless manual tasks, they're using AI agents to automate everything. This means they're earning
Wow.
more while working way less. You won't lose your business to AI itself. You'll lose it to someone who knows how to leverage it. Every day you wait, that gap between you and them gets bigger. Don't get left behind. You're just one decision away from either breaking through or burning out. Ready to stop watching from the sidelines? Book a one-on-one session with Dr. AI right now. We'll give you the exact AI strategy that's
Yes, I do teach. I don't teach programming, but I teach vibe coding. It's just such a weird thing to say. Like, that's a thing. That is such a thing. Oh, look, he's done. He generated all the B-roll. Oops. Oh, we need to just change the ratio. Oh, it's going to be shrunk.
Are you worried AI is going to
Yeah.
steal your job? Well, it might, but not in the way you think. Your competitors are already using AI to do things way faster than you can. While you're stuck doing manual work, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and content planning. They're not just faster, they're making more money and working less. The real danger isn't AI itself, it's someone else using AI.
Okay, check for the video output. I think the aspect ratio is 9:16. It's like a YouTube thumbnail format instead of whatever vertical format for the thumbnail. So definitely change that. And then I think also it's cutting off after it's like cutting off after 6 seconds. It's like freezing for like 3 or 4 seconds and then going to the next one. So definitely check that bug as well too. Okay, so he's finished. The interesting thing is he did 3 at once, which is kind of interesting. Going to delete this. Okay, so he's checking that. Why was the voice out of sync? Was the voice out of sync?
Well, are you worried AI is going to steal your job? Well, it might, but not in the way you think. Your competitors are already using AI to do things way faster than you can. While you're stuck doing manual work, they're letting AI agents handle emails, editing, and content planning. They're not just faster, they're making more money. And
Looks okay. I think it was just a lag. Yeah, when I changed types, that's just TikTok and running on a 16 gig computer with very limited bandwidth. We will upgrade that in 2026, I promise. And then no more strifing. Thank you, Coder Dude David. Coder Dude David's our resident software developer. He'll actually take your vibe coded app. I will look to his blessings later when I am ready to take this app seriously. Right now, I'm just vibe coding for fun. Well, also to automate my content as well, too. And we also need to increase the speed 10%. Also increase the voice speed by 10%. Let me just slide that request in. Coder Dude David, hey David, says I love Delray. Nice. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, Halu's API defaults to 6. We need to make it 10, but it's saying incorrectly. Also, you mentioned the increase in the voice. Let me check the settings there. currently is that. He'll speed up the voice from there. Nice. Sam Ultra, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the chat. So if you guys want to see, we're just fixing some of the bugs on the right side. And you can see Claude is doing all the coding. Now, here's the interesting thing. Here's my hypothesis of what I want to publish, especially for today, once we fine-tune this and we're ready to just pump in ideas and just let it run. The video might be 10 seconds, but the content freezes. I've said this is Haley Wells limitation. We'll switch to Seedance Pro and has 10-second model where we can fully generate 10 seconds. The issue is it only generates 6 seconds of actual content that freezes. Let's see, Seedance Pro explicitly supports 10 seconds. Let me update. It's kind of interesting, which is cheaper, 6 seconds or... Well, that's a silly question. What is 40 seconds divided by 6? So that's 7. Okay, so you fix a lot of the models, increase the speed, root cause here generates 6 seconds, then freezes. Default model has 10 seconds explicitly in the model, generates 10-second flow clip, 30 seconds. $1.20 for 4 clips versus da-da for da-da. So what? Yeah, that's okay. We need the cheapest 10-second clips. Although the 6 seconds ones isn't bad. Voice speed. Okay, so refresh. Now we're doing Seedance Pro. 10 seconds. $1.20. Sure. Remove anything that's less than 10 seconds for the clip options. That's under 10 seconds. And then in the prompt for the 10 seconds, have like 3 transitions with like timestamps of what it could do for those 3 parts of like. I think we're making an executive choice here and remove anything less than 6 seconds. Although I would love 6 seconds for video because honestly, attention span, like your attention span is no longer than 6 seconds. I'm sorry. 10 seconds is an eternity. Like, keep your attention span for 10 seconds. Like, those prompts better be very dialed, but we're going to see how this works. Might just join for one of my posts. It's kind of weird where you're like scrolling and you're like, oh, he's online. Let me check out. And he's like, oh, he just said hi to me. Oh, weird. The internet is a strange, strange place. Okay, now updating all the models. Probably update the UI as well too. Yeah, that kind of makes sense if everything's 10 seconds and then. This is vibe working. You're sitting, waiting, watching paint dry. Okay, nice. I think we need also clean up the settings tab. Claude likes the sandbag. He's like, I'm done. And it's like, no, you're not. Claude, you're not done. You did not finish your assignment. That's so weird. The main things to do is just really just play with the tools. That's the most of what you could do. Okay, looking good, looking good. Okay, let me refresh. Much better, much better. Everything is under. Everything's 10 seconds. Really doesn't matter the cost. Everything looks good. Okay, let's test this puppy out. Do we have stuff running? I don't think we have any running. Yeah, we don't. Can we clear the queue? Can you clear the queue and anything's in the processing? Just ignore it. Let's close some of these. Okay. We just need one. We're going to take you back to... Okay, he's done loading. Let's take this one back to scripted. Does the YouTube title, waiting for the voice. Actually, we need to generate a new voice. Okay. Now, we should be generating the voice. Hopefully, let's see if there's anything in the log. Oh, he is. Yeah, he finished now. Okay, so he is actually... He's going. Oh, he's going. He's gone. Now he's placing the HeyGen update. Nice. Just trying to see where he is in the stat. Oh, there he is. Okay, cool. Okay, he's working through now. Because I also kind of want to time it to also see like how long does it take to create something like this, or how long does it take for him to like generate. All right, he's doing the HeyGen right now. he finished HeyGen. Now he's generating the B-roll. Okay. Interesting. I don't see anything pending for it. Check the log for the API. I'm looking at the log right now. I don't think he sent a request for anything to be processed, but it looks like he's processing. Let's see. Found the issue after a waiver call with pipelines like for processing. Nice. Sora. Okay, it looks like I just was impatient and set 2 duplicates. And so he was trying to figure out what's wrong with the duplicates. The miracles supposed to fail. S2 flashes ran, causing auto process Sora 2 step fail likely. Okay, so right now it's generating B-roll. Where's the server? Launch server, good sir, please. Okay, he just needs to restart. Just needs a restart. I don't know why the server's not running. Jesus, the server died. Don't know what that means. Man, we're so close. Kind of working. I think one did there. He's just I'm gonna figure out the rest of it later. Right now, I'm gonna catch up on some other work. So, good to hang out with everyone. Got a little work done, a little software update, fix some bugs. If you want the software, join the community. I'll give you access to the software you can download. And this week, we're gonna go into VS Code and Claude Code inside the community. So, definitely look out for that. And I will see you guys online. Maybe be online tonight. We'll see. I'll see each of you later.